Let's learn some colors name. Green color, brown color, sky blue color, gray color, orange color, yellow color, black color, blue color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fruits. G for grapes. H for hen. I for iron. J for jug. K for king. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for peacock. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Thanks for watching. Bye.